need to be able to almost, clear and define pathways for them, which simplifies how you think about technology. You need to create views for them, which allows them to embrace technology in a manner which, anchors them to the business outcomes, but at the same time, the technology keeps working, evolving behind the scenes, and it keeps getting bigger in terms of the overall outcomes that you're trying to deliver. Because ultimately, in the way the market's moving from an experience perspective and process transformation underlying it, the more you can bring the whole ecosystem of partners, customers, and employees together, the better, the overall transformation and endability with, what you can drive that through. And like I said, if you have to do end-to-end, wall-to-wall transformations going forward, it cannot be about leaning with technology first. You have to think, outcomes. You have to think industry solutions and what you're trying to solve as the core problem for the market or for a particular, business function or a segment. And in that context, then bring technology to enable that out, so that the verticalization allows you to drive that end outcome that much more accelerated and better. And as you know, we've been pairing up between Cognizant and Automation Anywhere for a better part of 12 months now, where you guys have been quite integral to our digital first journey within our own business operations setup as Cognizant, right? So we've been leveraging the entire ecosystem of what was the earlier versions of Automation Anywhere, but we've also started to make the the shift into 360 since the launch. In being able to sort of leverage, the whole expanse of what you offer under 360 to be able to drive automation, citizen development for our own book, right? And for me, I think what's been fantastic is I think it's been, a great partnership as we've gone on that journey, right? I mean, we've worked toe to toe to sort of convince customers on why to get onto that whole journey of being able to think about citizen development, why attended development actually gives you the next lift in terms of how you think about, being able to drive the transformation, and more importantly, builds that whole culture of automation, as you sort of try and take technology within to the grassroots, if I can call it that, right? So that's been a great success, for both of us.